This is Josh Rowland with the Rowland Team, and I am so excited to show you this project that I have been working on for the last year. It's a personal investment located close to Ivywild, close to Cheyenne Canyon, close to downtown, and it's got so much fabulous features to show you. I can't wait. Come with me. So one of the most unique parts about this property is its privacy. This is a very large lot, a third of an acre, with a main house, a cottage behind you, and a huge garage, 988 square feet on the alley. And welcome to the cottage. This is a 382 square foot, one bedroom, one bath with an open concept living room, kitchen, and a laundry all in one. Hey, my personal favorite is this 988 square foot shop garage, which is framed for more living space above, and it is perfectly set up for you to paint your own picture of how you want to use it. Perfectly set up as an oasis inside the city. We can't wait for you to experience this place. This property, originally constructed in 1898, just went through a full frame-up restoration with all new everything. New HVAC, new electrical, new plumbing, and we did our best to absolutely maintain the craftsman heritage of the property, keeping the Van Brugel style fireplace as much as we could. What you'll see throughout is a nod to the history of the property with oversized 8-inch baseboards, beautiful oak floors. Upstairs it's got Douglas fir floors from the early century, and we brought a modern element to this living space. We opened some things up, gave it this beautiful huge dining room that flows into the kitchen and then into a beautiful entertaining space outside. Guys, this modern kitchen is a chef's dream. This space is actually set up and could be easily converted into a gas range because there's a gas pipe right down there. But what we did when we designed this kitchen was we left some fillers here, so for you crazy chefs, you could cut this out and put one of those big 6-burner gas ranges right here above your 36-inch hood. This upstairs offers you this beautiful master bedroom, 2 other bedrooms, and a beautiful 5-piece master bathroom. Hey, thanks so much for coming on this tour with me. This once-in-a-lifetime opportunity won't wait around.